I'm Chiara.
I'm Tina.
Sono Giacomo Torresi, ho 24 anni.
I'm 25 years old. I come from Milan. I work as a video maker.
A graphic designer.
E faccio il cuoco.
I like to do sports. I like snowboarding.
I often go to exhibitions
In the summer, wakeboarding
and
kickboxing when I'm in Milano.
whenever I think of a coffee, I always think about two people having coffee together and having a conversation. I think a coffee can make you happy.
Rappresenta un momento di pausa perché dopo la frenesia della giornata magari riesco a godermi un piccolo momento della giornata bevendo un caffè.
I like black coffee,
Espresso 100% arabica.
My favorite is cappuccino.
a strong one.
You know, I try my best to have a proper cappuccino at home.
Sì,
Yes,
Sure,
let's try.
let's give it a try.
Yes, it's hot.
I'm particularly impressed with my skills. I love it.
è finito!